I was really interested in the highest quality video that we could get. I'd seen some other demos of these sorts of things at some other kitchens using either composite or 720p cameras, and it was more neat than functional. When we decided to go end-to-end 4K, the resolution, the contractors working on the site, when we first got the cameras and the screens up and running, thought we were showing still shots of other kitchens until they walked through the frame and realized it was an actual motion image off the 4K cameras. Everybody's been, just impressed by it, amazed by it, going, it looks like nothing we've ever seen in this environment before.
The goal of the project for the renovation of the Sedona Center was really about looking at long-term programming for this center. One of the concepts that came to the surface was Culinary.
I use it sometimes for demonstration, sometimes to pull out videos and just to give the students examples. And then they have something to refer to. So if I have an example, I may not be able to show it right away, but then I can pull up something where they can see it.
Technology is one of those tools that's not only needed now, but it's needed to the future. When we're teaching students as they get younger and younger, we know that they're technical natives. And it's important that educational institutions, especially post-secondary, embrace those same concepts.